Hello, my name is Papa Scott and welcome to Featherhawk Garage. It is Monday, March 24th. It is 12 o'clock noon. I just got through popping the bowls off of this Holley, and I have the needling seats are good. The accelerator pump looks brand new. Only thing I have found wrong with it is that the bowl bolts were loose, so I think that's probably the whole problem as far as the leak out the bowl goes. So we're gonna put her back together and see what she does. All right, I got her put back together. I found the float adjustments to be loose also, so maybe I got all the leaks to stop. We'll put her back on there and find out. We are going to continue with the teardown on the Jeep. After removing some components, we decided we need to clean the engine up a little better. So we're going to get that done and continue to tear it down. Okay, we got it cleaned up pretty good, and it's Friday, so we'll be getting back on this next week. Y'all have a good weekend. We decided to come back on Saturday and work on it some more. Okay, making some progress on the Jeep. Kind of slow going. There's tons of wiring harnesses, PCM wiring harness, PCM's right there, fuel injectors, coils, heater hoses, air conditioner line. There's an expansion valve back there, and there's a line that goes from there up to the low side on the compressor here. And just all kinds of stuff on this side of the motor. But we're getting her off a little bit of time. And we're going to call her today and get back on this Monday. And so we'll see you then.